Hi everyone, my name is Melanie Beasley and I am with Nutritional Weight and Wellness. I'm a registered and licensed dietitian. And today I'm excited to talk to you about your bones. Our bones are an active living tissue that is always in transition. They're either breaking down and they're building back up again in a process called bone remodeling. So with that being said, your bones really require a lot to support this process. And what they require is adequate nutrition. So adequate nutrition, as you know, here at Nutritional Weight and Wellness, we believe in food first. So the food first piece is going to be real food from the farmer's field, lots of quality protein, really good healthy fat, and also lots of vegetables to support it. There's also some key enemies to our bones, and that's going to be processed foods, damaged fats, and lots of sugar in the diet. So that's the best way to start supporting your bones. The key nutrition on top of a great supplement. And the great supplement that I want to talk to you about is the Key Osteo Plus from NutriKey. Key Osteo Plus is going to provide those 20 plus key nutrients. Nutrients such as magnesium, vitamin D, boron, vitamin K2, in addition to a whole host of other ones. It's going to be synergistically placed in two separate packages that you would take. So there's a packet in the morning that you would take and a packet in the evening that you would take. The other thing that's really exciting about the Key Osteo Plus is that these are highly absorbable, bone-targeting nutrients that are designed so that you can absorb them with minimal problems with digestion, and they know where to go in the right place to either keep your bones healthy or to restore bones to a place of health and good density. So the Key Osteo Plus, in part of your protocol to maintain or to restore your bones to a place of health, and really good nutrition through your nutritionist who helps to support you and design a program for you, and you are on your way to taking care of those important bones.